List 13, 3, 4, 5. This is the try video. So here's just a reminder of your roots and their meanings for the week. This video focuses on try, which means 3 and is a Greek root. So your spelling words with this root are tricycle, trilogy, trimester, triathlon, triceratops, trio, tripod, triangle, trident, and trisect. So your first word is tricycle. This is a 3-wheeled vehicle that a person rides by pushing on the foot pedals. Typically, we think of younger children riding a tricycle because it's more stable, and then older children riding a bicycle, which is a 2-wheeled vehicle. Trilogy is your next word, and this is a series of 3 novels or books, movies, or something along those lines that are closely related and involve the same characters or themes. So when I think of a famous trilogy, I think of The Lord of the Rings. So here are the 3 movies that are part of the Lord of the Rings trilogy. Trimester is a period of 3 months, one of 3 periods in which a school year is sometimes divided. So we don't have trimesters, we have marking periods in our school. We have 4 marking periods, but if our school year was divided into 3 months at a time, it would be a trimester. So I'm going to go ahead, and a trimester might be January, February, March, and then April, May, and June would be another one, and then July, August, September, and lastly, October, November, and December. Those would be trimesters, a period of 3 months. Your next word is triathlon, and this is a long-distance race that has 3 parts: swimming, bicycling, and running. So here is an image to represent that. So this person's running, biking, and and swimming. So on your homework, I want you to either draw a picture or write the words that make up the 3 events in a triathlon. Next is a triceratops, and this is a large dinosaur that had 3 horns, 1, 2, 3, on its head, and 8 plants. Trio is a group of 3 singers or musicians who perform together. So we talked about a duet in your last spelling list. This is a trio, 3, a group of 3 singers or musicians. Next is a tripod. This is a support or a stand for a camera, telescope, etc. that has 3 legs. So if you look here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. So on your homework, either draw a tripod or write what you might use a tripod for. Next is triangle. I think we all should know what this is. It's a shape that is made up of 3 lines and 3 angles. Trident is a fishing spear that has 3 points, 1, 2, 3, and looks like a fork, a large fork. So I think of the Greek god Poseidon. He was the god of the sea, and a lot of times he had a trident. This is probably a statue of him, and this is the trident part of it. Trisect is your next word, and so this means to divide something equally into 3 parts, or to divide something into 3 parts, typically 3 equal parts. So right now I am going to trisect, or divide this circle into 3 parts, or attempt to. So please excuse my not very straight lines. So we're going to pretend that I divided this into 1, 2, 3 equal parts. I don't think I did such a good job. But if these were 3 equal parts, we would say that I trisected this in this circle. So on your homework, I want you to trisect that rectangle.